Today I'm going to be making dinner, which is a nice and easy dinner. We got this. I got this from Sam's. I think I got this from Sam's too. And I think I got this from Sam's too. It's Parmesan cheese, a big block of it. I just put it in a bag. We have our big pot to boil our little saucepan for the sauce. And so we are going, I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to put water in here. This is drinking water from my reverse osmosis machine. I just use these gallons, these Arizona tea gallons, because they're pretty thick. So I use it to fill them up and instead of having to fill the pot over there. Okay, that's probably more than enough water. I went a little too happy. Stay over there, baby. Oh, ouch. Well, okay. Kiddo just bumped his head on the counter, so give me a minute. But, here, do you want to help Mama? You don't want to help Mama? Come here. Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see your noggin. Let me see your noggin. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. That's why you can't be running around like that. Oh, wild. Okay. Okay, so to the water. Yeah, I'm making a cooking video. To the water, we are going to add are you better? You're going to help Mama? To the water, we're going to add salt. Just to make it salty, you know. Oh, I already did it, baby. I already did it. I already did it. You can help me put the sauce in this one. How about that? Yeah, here. Here, come here. I got my little helper here that's going to help me pour the sauce over in here. No, we're going to put the sauce. This? No, we're going to use that later. But right now. Oh, do you hear it? Oh. We're going to put this over here. Here, will you help me pour this in there? Yes. You want to show everybody your cool tattoo? We went to a burger place yesterday and they gave him a little tattoo. Okay, help me pour. Come on, help me pour. There you go. You're such a good helper. Oh, wow, that's a lot of sauce. That's probably more than we're going to need, but that's okay. We'll just go ahead and... We already committed. So we're going to put this back on here. Oh, we're going to... Don't put your face on there, baby. Just put that. There you go. This is what we're going to use to pour the sauce over once we're done, once it's heated. For now, what we're going to do is... Stop, baby. Well, you got to wait, baby. Because I don't want your beautiful face on there. Okay, so we got the water boiling. We got the sauce going. And we're going to go ahead and... Sauce? What? Yeah, the sauce. And then we are going to... Thank you, baby, for all your help. Let's see if I can manage to open this up. You know what? I got something for you. Actually, they had this as like the little sample. I didn't even go for this, but you know, you try stuff, and I was like, oh, that was good. So I figured, why not? I'll buy this for an easy dinner night, which is today because my little man is been having a rough day, and I've been having a rough day, so it's not, you know, what I want, but it is what it is. Gotta roll with it. So we have this. It says it cooks in 4 minutes on here. I cut it off, but 4 minutes. Cooks in 4 minutes. No artificial flavors, about 9 servings. To be honest with you, this is going to be like for me, my husband, and my kiddo, the little guy. And we're probably gonna eat it all tonight. So, but that's okay. Okay, so now let's see. We have that. And I'm going to need a small, I'll just get a small spoon, I suppose, just to kind of give that a stir. Or a big spoon. Ha ha ha, big spoon. You just want to kind of stir this up a little every now and then. Don't leave the spoon in there because it will get really hot. The handle will get really hot. The heat transfers. So I'll just stir it and then place it right there on a napkin while I wait to stir it some more. Okay, well, I will wait for this to finish boiling up, and then I guess I'll come back. So, yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay, we're back. Water's boiling. The sauce started kind of boiling up and stirring it, so I stir it again. Nice and warm, nice and hot. And then now that the water is boiling, we're going to go ahead and put these things in there. Grab, and it says to put them in there for 4 minutes. In boiling water for 4 minutes, so we'll see. Oh, and the light turned off. That's like a little ring, the little ring thing. It has a little ring light. I thought I'd use a power pack to light it, but that power pack is not the best. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh, maybe that'll work. Maybe that'll help. Microwave light to the rescue. Woohoo! Okay. So I've set a timer for 4 minutes. Oh, if you hear my kiddo in the background, he is out there playing and crying. Something about his house being broken. He's got a little fort house out in that other side of the house. But I'm trying to just separate them because some of them are stuck together, which is not ideal. So I'm just trying to kind of separate them. With this, what do you mean you're stuck, baby? Without completely breaking them apart, I suppose. I think one of them opened though. Yep, one of them cracked open in the middle, and all the guts are coming out. Oh well. Let's see. That's with the light, the ring light thingy that came with the stand that I got, which is really bright, actually, considering. I just need to get a little plug in. Okay. Love you. Huh? For what? No, put that back. That's not for you. Nice try, home slice. You're trying to be slick. Yeah. It's bubbling over. Turn the heat down a little bit because I don't think we need it anymore. With this batch, I'm going to cook the other batch right now. Here in a minute after I cook this one out and keep going. I think these are done. You can kind of just tell if they float, you know, they start to float on the top. They look nice and poofy and soft. That's when they're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them on the plate. Yes. Stop. In a cute little design. Come here, Carlos. He had to go to work, baby. Come here. There's one plate. 2 more to go. No, there's that one that broke. Carlos, what are you doing? Oh, okay. He had to go to work, my love. Gotta flip it over. Oh, and I'm sorry. That is my kiddo crying because Uncle came for like 2 minutes. But he is Uncle. Oh, see, that one open too. See, if you leave them too long, the pasta will separate. So that's why you don't want to leave it too long. You got to kind of keep an eye on it. Don't be like me, I guess. No, I try to keep an eye on it. Not all of them opened. You know what? I think 1 pack would have been enough. Well, like half of it. See that? It's like just liquid. Because this one apparently had opened up too. Oh, that's the keys to the SUV? We'll just do it like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Oh, that's bolt. And then we're gonna turn that off. Put this over here on the napkin. Give that a stir. We're gonna sauce. Put sauce on here, but work smarter, not harder. I am moving this big pot of water out of the way. And then I'm gonna bring this one over here. Yes, baby. Hold on, my love. Hold on. Hold on, baby. I'm busy, okay? Hold on. And just put a little bit of marinara over each one. I guess I could have just put some underneath it too. But Be careful, baby, okay? I'm not a professional chef. I'm just trying to make dinner for my family. With my little, hey, leave that there, please. See, that was way too much sauce. So you don't even have to cook all that sauce. You could just cook. Hey, stop. No.
What you do? What you do? What you do?
Just put a little bit on there. Just for flavor, you know. I mean, if it's your preference, everybody has their own preference. Baby, get down, please. Get down, please. Well, yeah, because you're... Get down. Thank you. Okay, and then last but not least, do not go to the living room, please. Almost 3-year-old that thinks he can do what he wants, and sometimes when he gets upset, he tries to do stuff that he shouldn't be doing, as a 2-year-old would. Okay, I'm gonna... And can you guys even see this line here? I'll put it over here, I suppose. I'm just putting some Parmesan cheese on top of it for flavor. Okay, and that does it. I'm gonna leave the video and the video there, since apparently I think this might be enough, but if you want to make more, you're more than welcome to make more. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you want to see more of my silly cooking videos or whatnot. I also make other videos. But thank you for following along with me. Let me go rinse my hand, and we'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.